Hey, wonderful students, and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Superstars. So, in today's lesson, we are going to look at number bonds. We are going to observe how we add one more within five, and this is our lesson three. Before we begin, I would like for you guys to either get your notebook or you can grab a whiteboard and a dry erase marker. Now, let's begin. Now, what are we doing today? Now, grab your whiteboard or your dry erase marker, and if you do not have one, it is okay to go ahead and grab your grab your notebook and your pencil. That's fine. So let's get to it. So I started filling some of the answers in. As you guys can see, I just erased them out. Now, don't worry about that. I will show you it all together. So, what are we doing? We are going to draw one more within the five group that we already have pre-drawn for you. So the direction says we are to draw one more in the five group in the box, and then we're going to write the numbers and describe in the new picture. So this is the box we have drawn right here. So I have the box out to draw it for you. So if you have your notebook, you just need to draw circles. That's good enough for me. So I have our five apples drawn for us. And it says one more than five is, so five plus one more. So five plus one equals what? Five. 6. So 5 plus 1 equals 6. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 5 plus 1 equals 6. So 5 plus 1 more equals 6. So 5 and 1 equals 6. And don't worry, guys, we have a lot more to do. Well, not a lot, but we have quite a bit more to practice. Let's try another one. Now, it says here we're going to draw one more in the five group in the box. So, one more than 6 is, so 6 plus one more is, so now we have 6. 6 plus one more is 6 and 1 makes 7. You got that right. So 6 and 1 more makes 7. You are right on. Smart. Good job. So 6 plus 1 equals 7. So put your 7 on the line. So on your number bond, you're going to say 6. So put your 6 in your box. And this is my 6, guys. And one more equals 7. Now let me do it in a number sentence right here. 6 plus 1 equals 7. See? 5, 6, 7, because we added one more. We have some more to practice. Let's look at another one. Now, let's look at this one. Ooh, donuts, my favorite. Now, let's look at this one. Draw one more. So now we have one more than 8 is, so we have 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8. 1 more than 8 is, so I know 8 plus 1 equals 9. So if I draw one more and on 8, I will get 9 because 8 plus 1 equals 9. So 1 more on 8 is going to be equal to 9. So on my number bond, it's going to look something like this. If I was to draw my own number bond, it would look like this. 8, 1, 9. Can you do your own number bond? Try it on your own. Now, let's try another one together. Now, let's look at this one. How many objects do you see? Let me give you some time to think about it. Draw one more. Hmm. Did you see 7? You are absolutely right. So blank is more than blank. So if you saw 7, you are right. It said to draw one more. So let me draw one more because the question said, how many objects did you see? Then it said, draw one more. So I sure hope you drew one more. Then it says, how many objects are there now? So we saw 7 before, and then we drew one more. So now we have 8. So the answer is 8 is more, is one more than 7. Because at first we had 7. Right? So 8 is one more than 7. So 8 equals 7 plus 1. So 8 equals 7 plus 1. Isn't that amazing, guys? Absolutely. I sure hope you're practicing on your whiteboard because it would make me so happy. I sure hope you're writing in your notebook because it would make me so happy. Let's practice another one, guys. Now, how many objects do you see? Hmm. If you said you saw 8, you're absolutely right. Now it's said to draw one more. So let me draw another one. Now, how many objects are there now? 9, right? So now there are 9. Good job. So it says 1 more than 8 is 9. So 8 plus 1 equals 9. This is different, right? I like this one. This is cool. I like this math. This is really cool. We're going to keep practicing more and more of this one. Remember, guys, you can stop the video at any time. You can play it over and over again and practice at any given time. Okay, guys, there is no amount of time that you can watch it over and over again until you understand it. All right, let's look at another one. All right, so how many objects do you see? If you said that you saw 9, then you were absolutely right because there are 5 in the top, there are 5 in the top, and there are 4 in the bottom. So if you saw 5 at the top and 4 in the bottom, then you saw 9, and then it says draw one more. So we're going to draw one more. So now we have 10. And if we have 10, so the answer is going to be 10. Let's read the number sentence together. 10 is one more than 9, because after 9 comes 10. You got it right. 10 is one more than 9. So 9 plus 1 equals 10. Look at you learn how to put your numbers in order. Just like that is amazing, isn't it? Now that's the last one for today, because I don't want you to get tired. We're going to practice another lesson though. Stay tuned. Until next time, goodbye.